The notion of sending humans to Mars has captivated the imagination of scientists, storytellers, and space enthusiasts alike for over a century. As scientists conclude its series on the potential human exploration of the cosmos, having previously delved into the inhospitable realms of Europa, Venus, Titan, and Pluto, the focus shifts to Mars, the red planet, a world that has long stood as a beacon for scientific inquiry and the subject of countless science fiction narratives. Dr. Jordan Bretzfelder, a Postdoctoral Fellow in the Department of Earth, Planetary, and Space Sciences at UCLA, offers an expert perspective on the viability and significance of human missions to Mars. She argues in favor of human exploration, citing the unparalleled quick decision-making and adaptability humans could bring to Mars, surpassing the capabilities of our current robotic explorers. Unlike robots, which are limited by the delays in communication from Earth and predefined programming, humans can navigate unforeseen obstacles and make real-time decisions on sampling and data acquisition. This human touch could accelerate our understanding of Mars, potentially unlocking secrets about its past, present, and future. The track record of robotic missions to Mars is impressive, with orbiters and rovers like Curiosity, Perseverance, and China's Zhurong providing invaluable insights into the Martian environment. These missions have paved the way for future exploration, uncovering evidence of past water and investigating the planet's geological history. However, Dr. Bretzfelder points out that humans on Mars could conduct science with an immediacy and flexibility that robots cannot match, from navigating challenging terrains to making on-the-spot judgments about scientific interest. Yet, the proposition of sending humans to Mars is not without its challenges and risks. Dr. Bretzfelder highlights the dangers of the Martian environment, such as its lack of an atmosphere and magnetic field to protect against solar radiation, and the logistical hurdles of sustaining human life far from Earth. Moreover, the potential contamination of Mars with terrestrial microbes poses a significant ethical and scientific concern, necessitating strict planetary protection protocols. Despite these challenges, the benefits of human exploration could be profound. Drawing parallels with the Apollo missions, Dr. Bretzfelder suggests that the direct human experience on Mars could yield unforeseen scientific discoveries, much as the quick thinking of Apollo astronauts led to the collection of scientifically valuable lunar samples. The adaptability and problem-solving capabilities of humans could also prove invaluable in unexpected situations, offering a level of resilience that robotic missions cannot. The discussion of human habitats on Mars brings another layer of complexity to the mission planning. While surface habitats offer easier access to surveying and sampling opportunities, as well as better communication with Earth, they also expose astronauts to significant risks from solar radiation. Dr. Bretzfelder notes the potential of underground habitats, such as lava tubes, to offer protection from radiation, although they come with their own set of challenges for surface exploration and communication. As NASA and other space agencies, including SpaceX and China, lay out ambitious plans for human exploration of Mars in the coming decades, the potential for human footsteps on Martian soil becomes increasingly tangible. These missions, building on the lessons learned from returning to the Moon and ongoing robotic exploration, represent a significant leap in our quest to become a multi-planetary species. The debate over whether we should send humans to Mars is nuanced, balancing the potential scientific, technological, and inspirational benefits against the considerable risks and costs. Dr. Bretzfelder's insights underscore the transformative potential of human exploration, not just for advancing our understanding of Mars, but for pushing the boundaries of human capability and technology. As we stand on the brink of this new era of exploration, the question remains not just of whether we can send humans to Mars, but of what new worlds of understanding such missions could open up. The journey to Mars, fraught with challenges and opportunities, epitomizes the human spirit of exploration, driving us to reach further into the cosmos in our quest for knowledge and discovery.